The surprising value of the 1977 penny with no mint mark. Most people see a penny and don't think much about it. After all, it's just 1 cent, right? But what if we told you that one of those ordinary-looking pennies from 1977 could actually be worth up to $7,000? Yes, you hear that right. A 1977 Lincoln Memorial penny with no mint mark might be worth thousands of dollars, if it has the right features. Let's break it down so you know exactly what to look for. What does a 1977 penny look like? The 1977 penny is part of the Lincoln Memorial series, which was made from 1959 to 2008. On the front of the coin, called the obverse, you'll see a picture of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. On the back, called the reverse, there's a picture of the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. If you look at the date on the front of the coin and don't see a small letter underneath it, don't worry. That just means your penny was made at the Philadelphia Mint. In 1977, the Philadelphia Mint didn't put any mint marks on pennies, so it's normal to see no letter. Why are some 1977 pennies worth so much? In 1977, the U.S. Mint made over 4.4 billion pennies. Most of them are only worth 1 cent, just like you'd expect. But a few special pennies are worth a lot more. Why? 2 reasons: condition and errors. 1. Condition: mint state pennies are super valuable. A coin's condition is one of the most important things that affect its value. If a penny still looks shiny and brand new, like it just came from the mint, that's called mint state. These coins were never used in everyday life, so they don't have any scratches, dirt, or wear. Coins are graded on a scale from 1 to 70, with 70 being a perfect coin. Most pennies you find in your pocket are probably around grade 5 or 10. But if you find a 1977 penny that's been kept in amazing condition, say, MS 67 or higher, it can be very rare and very valuable. Another part of the grade is the color. Copper pennies can turn brown over time because of exposure to air and moisture. But if a penny still has its shiny red-orange color, it's called red. A 1977 penny graded MS 67 red or better could be worth up to $7,000. 2. Errors: mint mistakes can be worth big money. Sometimes, mistakes happen when coins are made at the mint. These are called error coins, and collectors love them. Some 1977 pennies have interesting and rare errors that can make them worth hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars. Here are a few types of errors to look for. BIE error. This is a fun one. Sometimes, a small crack forms in the die, the tool used to stamp the coin, between the letters B and E in the word Liberty. This crack looks like an extra I, so the word looks like BIE. It's a small and simple error, but collectors like it, especially if the extra line is easy to see. Double die error. This happens when the coin design is stamped more than once by mistake. It can make the letters or numbers on the coin look like they are doubled or blurry. If your 1977 penny has this kind of error, it could be very valuable. Off-center strike. If the coin design isn't lined up right when it's stamped, part of the design might be missing or off to the side. These off-center coins are fun to look at and are often worth more than regular pennies. Die cracks. Sometimes, the die used to stamp the coin gets damaged, and that damage shows up as a raised line on the coin. These are called die cracks. If they're large or in a unique spot, they can add value to the coin. How can you tell if your penny is valuable? Start by finding a 1977 penny with no mint mark. Remember, that's normal for coins made in Philadelphia. Next, look closely at your penny. Is it shiny and bright red? Does it look brand new, with no scratches or dirt? Do you see any strange marks, lines, or double letters? If you answered yes to any of these, your penny might be valuable. Use a magnifying glass to look closely. If you think you have a rare or valuable coin, you can show it to a coin dealer or send it to a grading company like PCGS or NGC. They can tell you exactly how much your penny is worth. Final thoughts. Most 1977 pennies are only worth 1 cent. But if you're lucky enough to find one in amazing condition or with a special error, you could be holding a small treasure worth hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars. So next time you get some change, take a closer look. That plain old penny might just be a hidden gem. Would you like help identifying any pennies you already have? You can upload pictures, and I'll take a look.